10 tools to turn your Google Sheets into an API. Application or Google Sheets developers struggle with high back-end server costs, and they have to deal with latency and sluggish load time. Let's look at some quick, user-friendly, and cost-effective tools that can turn your Google spreadsheets into an API. 1. SheetDB. SheetDB gives the flexibility to use any programming language while you turn your Google Sheet into API. It has many libraries and support for various tooling. 2. API Connector. API Connector by Mixed Analytics is trusted by over 500,000 users around the globe. It is a powerful, flexible tool that lets you connect to Google Sheets with absolutely no coding. 3. SheetBest. With SheetBest, spreadsheets are transformed into RESTful APIs for web applications. Google Spreadsheets can be easily linked to BI tools, administration panels, CMS, websites, or apps using SheetBest. 4. Sheety. Sheety turns your spreadsheet into a RESTful JSON API, which means you can get and change data in and out of your spreadsheet without using a third-party app. 5. Stein. Stein has a familiar and straightforward interface that gives you the power of seamless collaboration while creating your prototypes, all on Google Sheets. 6. Sheet2 API. Sheet2 API lets you convert spreadsheets into an API, and unlike other tools, it also provides Excel online support, API intelligent caching, unlimited rows, etc. 7. Sheetson. With Sheetson, you can build APIs from Google Sheets in seconds. It's fast, secure, and reliable. Sheetson allows you to submit as many design requests and modifications as possible to your application. 8. API Spreadsheets. API Spreadsheets is a developer tool that enables sophisticated spreadsheet importing, reading, and reporting. API Spreadsheets connect files from customers, clients, and internal teams to keep all your data in one place. 9. Sheetlabs. If you want to create production-ready APIs, then Sheetlabs is the best option, and it lets you create your first API in a few clicks. 10. Google Sheet API. The Google Sheets API allows you to read, write, and format data in Google Sheets using Java, JavaScript, or Python. Conclusion. API for Google Sheets makes it easy for Google Sheets and application developers to import, export, and analyze the data. Thus, if you work on a large dataset daily within Excel or Sheets, these tools can turn your sheets into APIs that will make your job easy and save a lot of money and effort. Thanks for watching.